What is up, everybody? It is Eternal Mystery, the creator of Builds here, aka the middle child of the 2K community, and today I'm going to be bringing you guys this free PlayStation Plus glitch in June 2022. So, I'm bringing you guys this video on how to do it from the very beginning to the very end. This is going to be a little bit of a shorter video than I do for some of my other videos because I like to do a mixture of like longer versions of the video where like I explain it very deeply and you guys can understand it more. And then there's versions that I like to do that are like half the length of the video that basically explains it a little bit less, like a lot less, but kind of gets to the point where it's like, hey, do this, do this, do this, do this. And if you guys can't keep along with that, you got to watch the full version of this video that I uploaded probably a few days before this video. So um, basically, that's what I like to do for some of my videos because some people don't have, longer times to watch a video. They only have like a few minutes. So here you go. This is for you guys. So make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that kind of stuff. And I want to say before we get into the video, I just want to say make sure you guys enter my 35,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm also hosting one for my channel that's named My Name is Mystery. I'm doing a 5K giveaway on there and a 10K giveaway on there. We're almost at 5K, so that's why I'm starting a 10K one right now. Step number 1 is like this video that you are currently watching. Step number 2 is subscribe to the channel. Step number 3 is turn on post notifications for my channel, which is like that bell next to my name that's like next to subscribe, depending on what you're watching on. Then step number 4 is comment your favorite game. It could be your favorite game of all time. It could be your favorite game currently. It's really up to you. You know what I mean? So just comment down below in this comment section right now. And then step number 5 is to comment done. Okay, so very simple. I will choose someone from the comment section of one of my videos, basically to be, picked for the winner. And yeah, so look out for those videos for like how to get those for free and stuff like that. See if we can find glitches for that. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this though. So basically, what you want to do is have a mobile device, like a phone or a tablet, and then what you want to do is to download like certain apps and do whatever they tell you to do on the on the app. It tells you to download certain apps and tells you what to do. And then there you go. And that's how you can get it. You put the PS Plus card onto here, onto your PlayStation, and there you go. You got PS Plus. So like I said, this was a shorter version of the explanation. If you want to see a longer one, go to my video from a few days ago. But that's going to be the first video, guys. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, all kind of stuff, and I'm out.